Why RE agents cost a fortune in the cloud? You built an AI agent. It runs 24/7. And your cloud bill looks like a hospital stay. Let's do the math. One mid-tier GPU instance, $1 to $3 per hour. GPT for Turbo, $10 per million input tokens. A single bloated call, 12,000 tokens equals 13.5 cents. At 500 calls per hour, $67.50 per hour. That's $48,600 per month. One mistake, $23,000 per month. One team sent their entire conversation history with every single API call. 15,000 plus tokens per request, hundreds of times per hour. Their fix: optimize memory retrieval down to 2,000 tokens. Result: 68% token cost reduction. The context window is not your database. Default pattern: dump everything into the prompt. Full history, all tool results, all intermediate state. Every call resends everything. The model does double duty as both the reasoning engine and the memory store. Separate memory from reasoning. Store everything, retrieve selectively. Event log goes to cheap object storage like S3. Current task state goes to Redis with submillisecond retrieval. Durable state goes to PostgreSQL. Semantic search goes to a vector database. Each tier has a different cost profile. Crashes are expensive. Agent dies at step 47 of 100. Without checkpointing, restart from scratch, all tokens burned. With durable execution, checkpoint to PostgreSQL, resume from step 47. Thread ID acts as persistent cursor into the run. Every agent degrades after 35 minutes. Context fills with prior decisions and tool outputs. Compounding errors cascade, small mistakes grow into larger problems. After a 3-day pause, agent hallucinates steps never taken. It remembers approvals that were never given. Explicit state beats conversation replay. Define states: start, welcome_sent, documents_signed, completed. Agent reads current position from session state, not from replaying old messages. 6 states. No ambiguity. No hallucination. Don't use frontier models for everything. Planner with a frontier model handles strategy, task decomposition, quality assurance. Workers with cheap models execute the repetitive tasks. Cost reduction, up to 90%. Cursor, AWS Strands, Claude Code, all use this pattern. The model is the reasoning engine. The runtime is the memory owner. Don't let the model do double duty. Durable state outside the model. Selective retrieval inside the model. Build agents that don't bleed money. Checkpoint everything. Separate memory from reasoning. Use explicit state machines. Planner worker architecture. The difference between a prototype and a product.